So the second question here is, how does UX design differ from graphic design and multimedia specialist roles? So graphic design pertains more to, let's say, logo or branding, whereas user experience design doesn't really focus on logos or branding or anything pertaining to the aesthetic. Multimedia specialist roles are also not UX, and they would probably align more with graphic design because that aligns more with branding. And a multimedia specialist might have to create some kind of visuals or video that emphasizes the brand that was designed. Graphic designers and multimedia specialists might work together to achieve, let's say, a commercial or some kind of campaign. On the side of the spectrum, when it comes to, let's say on the left side, you have something that pertains more to strategy, and on the right, more toward creativity. UX is definitely more on the strategizing spectrum that I just described.